Norman and Joe, Novice Standard, Sunday, April 23rd. And they're putting their leash runner to work. Go on. Go. Let's see how this goes, because he didn't. Come on. Keep going, buddy. Go. You like it. You like it at Margaret's. You just didn't like it here. Come on, good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Stick it. Good boy. No. Okay, we're going to do the broad jump. You can do it. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Don't be woohooing. We're not there yet. We're good at our weaves, but apparently not today. But Mr. Judge, I really like you and I want you to like me too. Dude, you've got weaves. Come on. You gave us the dog walk, so you decided the weaves were not your thing today. Go away.
Norman, come. Go. Yes. Go. Come. Norman. Is that your dog? Norman.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Go. Oh, you stinker. Well, the tires never come. 90-35. Whoa.